Hey everybody, thanks for coming to dance with me. I'm Laura and today we're just gonna dance through some arm training. But first, thank you people of Patreon for helping to support me and keeping this video free for everybody in the world, including people like you. And if you subscribe at the For Dancers Only level, you'll find a breakdown of some of the moves that I do in this video, as well as a bunch of playlists for dancing, chilling, and highlighting some of my favorite lesser known musicians. If you wanna join them, it's a voluntary subscription. The link's in the description. Of course, dancing is art. You can do whatever you want with your arms. But for this video, we're going to be focusing on that crossbody, left arm, right arm, left leg relationship. We're going to get a bit more complicated as the video progresses, so if you need to, put on a song and practice one move all song long. That's one of the best ways to get it into your body, just repetition. Start with single kicks. Here we go. A double kicks. Single kicks. A double kicks. Kick across. Hoop, ha, hoop, switch. Change pivot around. Huh. Basic Charleston. Huh. Walk it out. Hey. Hacksaws. We need 20 steps. We got kick, ho, drag step, ho, drag step, ho. Again. Egg beaters. Hoop. Speed it up. Switch. Ha. Switch. No pause. Rock step. Okay. Keep it going. Hoop. There it goes. At fall off the log. Hey. Arms. I hope you had fun and learned a lot. If you did, click like and subscribe and comment and all the YouTube algorithm stuff. If you like the music, it's the Brooks Truman Orchestra. You can find a link to it in the description, and half of the money that I get from this channel goes towards organizations that support African diasporic artists and art, because Lindy hops a black dance. The best way to learn how to dance is to dance and dance and dance.